Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. This is actually a sound test, a sound video, checking if everything is okay, the microphone is okay. At this point in time, this is the setting we're using. So recording is the most important slider for me now. I'm on 150%, so all out. That's normally okay, but we can skip, we can change from time to time our settings and see if it's any better. If you say, okay, setting there or setting there, what's actually kind of better. So 150 at this point in time. So match your sound, your level of output in here and listen. Topic in the meantime is gonna be some playing around. So right mouse click, configure desktop and wallpaper, and showing you the latest newest things we have. I have a few wallpapers I've put in here. I don't see them either, so I'm gonna add images, don't see them. So I'm gonna go to root and then user, open that up, and then backgrounds, share backgrounds. The B from backgrounds is here. Okay, open up, where are you backgrounds? So here we have ArcoLinux. Then I have the reflex to Ctrl-T and say sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux SDM backgrounds. Let's get those in. It's a bunch of wallpapers, 278 megabyte of wallpapers that I just want to play around with. So if we go to user share backgrounds again, we have all these guys. Ctrl-A and then open, and they're all coming in. So that's one thing, playing around with some wallpapers, and apply, and there you are. This one is a funny one, right? So you choose whatever you want to have. It's applied. Okay, so that's that. The next thing I'd like to do is make so the wallpaper has been covered, desktop and all that. What I can do as well, and maybe we should slide it a little bit lower, like let's say 140, and see what happens to 140. If we go to appearance, there is something new I've added, the ArcoLinux Arc Dark Candy. Let's apply that little guy. So we have a little bit different. Also important is to have a look at the file manager, Dolphin, how that looks. And maybe I'm gonna go for the ArcoLinux Nordic Darker. So another way of looking at things, these colors up there, you either like them or hate them. And where is he? There he is. So we have this kind of look. The slider is a bit off, but it comes back once it may become small. But there is some kind of line in there, but you just can't really. It's there, but that's the theme, right? So choices. Candy Plasma Dark. We can choose this one. That's the plasma color. Breeze Dark is the same. The thing is, this has our candies, right? It's not exactly the same as the candy from other distributions. This is the ArcoLinux Candy Beauty icons. We've adapted it so it works on ArcoLinux. All the icons being present. So those are choices that I can do. And in the meantime, maybe one last attempt and test for the sound. What if we went for 130? And we're talking about 130 at this point in time. Let me talk a little bit more by entering the edit mode and going to put this on top. And voila, you have the guy at the top. If you like that, a Ctrl-T maybe to keep on talking, right mouse click, switch profile to ArcoLinux Blur. So it's a blur kind of thing. If you like that kind of thing, that's available too. In the meantime, we should maybe change again for the last time. Let's take just a plain 100. How about that? Come on. Ah, yeah, that's how it works. Voila, we're at 100%. There are lots of things I can still do and play around with. What I've well, sometimes I do, right? These widgets, there are lots and lots of widgets out there. Just drag it down here and you can filthy your desktop. Well, it's all about choices. Just click longer on the widget and then you can move it like a second or two maybe. Let's count it. 1, 2, voila, a second or two. And then it's available. 1, 2, I see I still need to read the number, of course. Otherwise, voila. Some of these things let you change elements. So show alternatives, enter edit mode. You can do some stuff with that, configure it, and you get this kind of look. Yes, we're still wobbly. Maybe if you don't like the wobbly thing, it's all in the custom settings. Lots of things are in here. Where is that again? In the window management, the Windows behavior, window rules, screen locking, touch screen, screen edges, desktop effects. There it is. And look at that. So there's so much more to do. And if you don't like to search like I do, you just say forget about this wobbly thing altogether, and wobbly is out. And I don't know why, but I feel it's broken if you do it like this. And I feel Plasma is broken. Hey, personal preferences, you go change it and make this system your own. It's incredible what you can do with Plasma. Just saying, appearance wise, it's incredible. Get new global themes, right? Get GTK application themes, get Plasma theme styles, get color schemes, and the color schemes matter. Color schemes change your system around, if you see what I mean. So this, and then Super Shift Enter, put your Dolphin open and play with this thing. It's incredible what all is possible. So breeze dark and so on, breeze high contrast and breeze apply, and there's also Quantum installed on this system, so we get the themes from Quantum in, so we can select them as well. But there is so more, right? So much more, and yeah, I don't know. Don't think I would like red, but there it is. The red is available. Depends, right, on days and wallpapers. Depends. Lots and lots. Simplicity as one here. Simplicity dark. Well, why not? I could like this. And this is our Nordic theme. And Nordic darker, which is my preference, a little bit darker. But there you go, right? It keeps on going. Get new window decorations. Don't like these buttons, choose it here. And voila, it's changed here already. We're now on Oxygen, are we? No, on Breeze, was it? On Breeze we were. So click, the buttons are back. Voila, there they are. Fonts, icons, get new icons, cursors, get new cursors. I mean, it keeps on going and going and going. Test it out. For us, it was a sound check. Maybe go back to the default, as the default was and is on other machines. The default is normally 150%. That's what I normally do. Sorry for shouting now in your ear. I know that was a little bit brusque. I should have done the slider a little bit softer so you could act. All right, I'm out. Well, not yet. Now I'm out. All right, cheers.